Hey guys, my name is Francisco Hernandez, and today's video is a simple behind the scenes video of a photo shoot that I did all the way back in August of 2019 at a local park in Austin called Peace Park, I believe, with a beautiful model by the name of Sarah Hall. Again, this was back in 2019 before the Godox AD400 Pro came out, which is my favorite strobe at the moment. So that's why I used my previous favorite strobe, which was the Godox AD400 Pro. I'll leave links to all the gear that I used in the description area below. But again, if you guys have any questions at all, let me know in the comment section below and I'll answer as soon as possible. Before I continue with the behind the scenes video of Sarah, I do want to let you know that this video is sponsored by NordVPN. If you want to browse the internet safely and securely, then you definitely should consider using NordVPN, as it allows you to do exactly that. Your data is extra protected with their double data encryption for increased anonymity while you're simply at home, while you're traveling, or you're at your favorite coffee shop getting a cup of coffee. There's also no compromise in speed, as they offer over 5,500 super fast servers in over 60 countries, and it even works in China. NordVPN offers 24/7 customer support if you ever need it. There's absolutely no data logging, and by using NordVPN, you can unlock a lot of different TV shows and movies on your favorite streaming service that might not be available wherever you live. Recently, I wanted to start watching Brooklyn Nine-Nine again, and for some reason, it's not on Netflix in the US. So all I have to do is just open NordVPN, connect to somewhere outside the US, and then I'm able to start watching it again. If you're still not sure about NordVPN or if you're ever going to use it, then you can just simply try it out for 30 days as they offer a 30-day money-back guarantee. Go to nordvpn.com/fjhphoto or use the code FJHphoto to get a 2-year plan plus 1 additional month with a huge discount. When you guys support the people that support my channel, it allows me to keep making free content for you guys, so definitely check out NordVPN.
it's just wasting time. I'd rather be spending it on working out. Some say